Getting sap off of your car without scratching the paint can be tricky, but don't worry, there are several effective ways to tackle this sticky problem. The sap will be easier to get off if you wash it immediately, so get to work right away. To start, hose your whole car down with clean water to rinse away any loose sap and debris. This will also make it easier to spot any sappy stains you didn't see before. Dip a clean microfiber rag in soapy water that's as warm as possible without being too hot to touch. The heat will help soften the sap. Scrub the stains with the cloth and rinse as you go to immediately wash away any loose sap. While this technique shouldn't damage the paint on your car, it might strip away some of the protective wax coating. Once you're satisfied that all of the sap is gone, wipe your car dry with a clean, soft towel and buff on a new layer of wax. If you still see some stubborn sap stains after cleaning your car, don't wax it just yet. Follow up your soap and water wash with a commercial tree sap remover. You can buy this type of cleaner at most auto parts stores or in the automotive section of a department store. Follow the instructions on the package carefully to make sure you're using the product correctly. Typically, all you have to do is pour a bit of sap remover directly onto a clean rag. Then hold the rag over the stain using even pressure for about 1 minute to break the sap down. Then buff the sap away with a rag using small circular motions. If you can't find a store-bought sap remover, try dissolving the stain with a household product such as mineral spirits, alcohol wipes, or WD-40. When using any of these products, use a soft cloth and apply light pressure to avoid damaging your paint. After you're done, rewash the car with soap and water and apply a new coat of wax.